Okay, so today I want to talk about something that you might be missing, and we need to be a little bit more self-aware within ourselves. This goes on to what I was talking about yesterday, and that is you are entitled as fuck. You need to be putting in the work. You can literally go easy mode with everything else, but it's like the same energy as you have billionaire parents and they're like, okay, you have this really cool business idea. We're willing to fund you however much you want. Like, say you want to create a clothing company or whatever. Okay, so like they give you the money and then you're like, yeah, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. You have been giving the money, and you can see from evidence of other people with the same amount of money, like you already have been given the blueprint. You have everything handed to you. That if you just put in the work, it's going to happen. Just like when people say, you've been given the blueprint to go to the gym and eat healthy and you're going to lose weight and you're going to have an amazing body. You have the blueprint, you know 100% that that's going to work if you do it, but you just don't want to do the fucking work. That's the thing. I keep telling you, keep robotically affirming as much as possible throughout the day. What is there to not get about that? What is the problem? And another thing that you have an issue with is confidence. Like, it has got to be a confidence thing. I was thinking about that in the shower. But when I had a confidence issue, I was self-aware. It takes self-awareness to be like, okay, I'm not a confident bitch. I actually don't think I'm the shit. Let me work on that. And the reason why that's very important is if you think that you're the shit, if you think that you can't do any wrong, you're not going to think that you can't go like any wrong with affirming. Like, do you think that if you just tell yourself that I can't go no wrong by affirming, but then everywhere else in your life, you're questioning yourself like, oh, I'm not good enough for this guy, I'm not good enough for these friends or for this outfit or whatever, these like social media followers. Do you think that you're going to believe yourself that you're doing a good enough job for affirming and getting what it is that you want? So it's a self-confidence issue. Buckle up and fucking do the work. I had to put my time in. I did in New York, where I was like, okay, it's time for me to pull myself up from my bootstraps and actually internally recognize that I am the best person. No one out there could trigger me. No one else I could feel like I'm in competition with, because I'm the one. Because my uniqueness is something to value, is gold. It's not anyone else's uniqueness. It's better than anyone else's uniqueness. I don't give a fuck about your uniqueness. My uniqueness is the best. I have a pure, kind soul. I'm a good person. I'm funny. I have good taste in things. I love my family. I love animals. I love how I look. I love my hair. I love my eyes. I love how photogenic I am. I love how beautiful I am in general. I love how I don't give up on YouTube. I'm very ambitious. I would have to, as I say in my self-concept course, create a love list every single day. Did I want to do it sometimes? No. But I knew that the payoff would stick forever. And it does. And I don't work on self-concept anymore. The only thing that I do is listen to self-concept subliminals. And by self-concept subliminals, I mean my own subliminal. It's not like an upkeeping thing. It's like a brick by brick, your self-concept gets even more better and more better. Because that's how I feel. I'm dead set with you guys. That's how I feel when I wake up every morning. I feel like I have another layer of confidence and self-concept within myself. I don't have to do anything extra. I can come to you as I am on YouTube and know that that is more than enough. And I'm helping hundreds of thousands of people. And it's benefiting their life for the better. So you need to pick yourself up from your bootstraps, work on your self-concept, fucking just affirm. I don't understand what the issue is. Keep repeating over and over again. What I find actually is It helps me not think about BS because I'm on the straight and narrow path of all my videos go viral. So just do that. It helps me fall asleep. It helps me not overthink. It's seriously so good. I can't think of anything like bad about robotic affirmations because all of the tiny little micro BS that where it's like I can't be bothered or it's too tiring is overruled because you know that like, yeah, going to the gym is fucking tiring, but you feel so much better afterwards and you get fucking amazing results. And it doesn't even have to take that long. But like most of the time, if you robotically affirm, it should happen within days, and at the latest, it should happen in a couple of weeks. You start thinking as the person who has this thing or who has this body or who earns this amount of money. You just start thinking as that person automatically. So it's not like you have to robotically affirm for that manifestation for the rest of your life. It's not like an upkeeping thing. It's like a one and done. So what is the fucking problem? What is your fucking issue? There's nothing to complain about. Just sit down, shut up, and robotically affirm. You don't need anything extra. All you need is your mind to repeat over and over again one saying. And if it's a belief problem, honestly, that just means you're fucking dumb. Because I bet you have manifested something by doing this, or you have just manifested something by listening to subliminal or any other technique, like whatever. So that just means that you have memory loss, or you're just thinking of yourself as a loser and you're thinking, oh, it's a one thing, it's a fluke. Like, love you. That goes back to the issue of self-confidence. Like, fucking love yourself. Why are you the one that's bullying yourself? You have to be the one that shows up for you each and every single day. You have to be the one that defends yourself. You have to be the one that like understands you fully and wholeheartedly. Like no one else can fully, deeply understand you to the depths that you can understand you because you're inside of your brain. You're the one that has experienced everything that you've experienced. You're the one who knows your family and your personality and how you react to things. So it's like, why are you your worst enemy? It just doesn't make any sense. And again, to that I say, work on your fucking self-concept. But the main thing is, just fucking robotically affirm. It's such a 1 + 1 = 2 thing because I've set out, it's not even anything like step-by-step based, like, these are the things that you could do to potentially have a high self-concept, create a love list, listen to, like, literally, it's just robotically affirm. Say one sentence that implies that you have your manifestation right now. That's it. Stop complicating it. Stop being a loser in your own reality. Stop overthinking this. Stop hating on yourself. Get a fucking grip. Be self-aware. And most importantly, just do the fucking work. Just do the fucking work. You know what to do. At this point, it's just you're fucking lazy. And you don't want it bad enough. You do not want it bad enough. So shut the fuck up and rethink what you want because clearly you don't want to put in the work. If someone wants something really, really bad, they will not stop at anything. They will not look at anyone. Do you know how many people have said, oh, but you don't have 1 million subscribers yet? That's nothing in comparison to 16 years of putting in the work and seeing 0 fucking results. So your words can't fucking affect me. Do you not understand? Do you not understand that a person who really, really wants something, they will stop at nothing to get it? And if that's not the case, they never really wanted it bad enough. So try again, pick something else. I don't know. Like, if you want to eat, if you're hungry, you're going to find something to eat, no matter what. If you want something, you're going to put in the action to fucking get it. And by action, I mean robotically affirm. You're not going to care about what people are saying to you. You're not going to care about your thoughts. You're not going to care about the 3D, your circumstances, the fact that it hasn't manifested fast enough, like the confusion in the law of assumption community. You're not going to give a shit. You're just going to shut the fuck up, put your blinders on, and no matter what, no matter if maybe it's wrong, maybe this, but whatever, no, like it doesn't fucking matter. I'm just gonna do everything in my fucking power to get this thing. I'm gonna do everything in my power to become a YouTuber with 1 million fucking subscribers. I do not give a shit. I am going to do whatever the fuck it takes because I am a crazy fucking bitch. It's going to work because I'm fucking crazy. I will not stop. I will not fucking do anything else. I will cut everyone off. I will cut away all of the fucking distractions. I will fucking do whatever it takes, whatever it fucking takes to have 1 million subscribers because I fucking want it bad enough. And all you had to do was fucking robotically affirm. That's all you had to do. So I don't feel bad for you that you don't have your shit. None of us on this channel feels bad for you. Because you're not helping yourself. I can't help a person who doesn't want to help themselves. It's like when someone's in depression, like, or is an alcoholic, or is into drugs, or like just has an issue, an addiction. It's like, I can throw everything at you. I can literally get the best specialist. I can do everything for you, but it gets to a point where it's enough. You can't help someone that does not want to help themselves. No one's gonna fucking do this for you. Just shut the fuck up and robotically affirm. That's it.